Yes, good day, good evening, one and all. I'm doing this video here, this YouTube video, to throw this question out the public for anyone who could answer this question for me or provide me with the evidence from Scripture. Now, there is this view that Israel or the nation of Israel is to be restored back in some end time apocalyptic time events of end time prophecy. I would like anyone out there who holds this view to show from Scripture, right, from the history of Old Testament Scripture coming up to New Testament Scripture, that there is such a view that the nation of Israel is to be restored back in some end time apocalyptic end time events, and they are to be restored as this great nation on the earth. Is that a biblical teaching? Does the Bible support those ideas of an end time nation of Israel coming back on the scene in some end time apocalyptic events? I'm waiting to get the response, the Scripture, and the historical reference or evidence that could show and confirm that if this is so. Okay.